Forget everything you know about gaming laptops. This is the Razer Blade 16 2025, the thinnest, most powerful machine designed to dominate everything from AA gaming to 4K content creation. The Razer Blade 16 2025, unveiled at CES 2025, is a premium gaming and professional laptop featuring significant upgrades. It's the first in the series to include an AMD processor, the Ryzen AI 9 HX370, paired with NVIDIA GeForce RTX 40 series GPUs, ensuring exceptional performance for gaming and creative tasks. The 16-inch 4K OLED display boasts a 240Hz refresh rate and 100% DCI-P3 color accuracy, making it ideal for vibrant visuals and professional workflows. It's also 30% thinner than its predecessor, measuring just 0.59 inches at the front, with a lightweight, sleek aluminum unibody design. Audio has been upgraded to a 6-speaker system, while the keyboard now features 1.5mm key travel and a new Copilot key for added functionality. Equipped with a 90 Wh battery that charges to 80% in 45 minutes, it offers portability without compromising performance. Connectivity includes Thunderbolt 4, USB-C, HDMI 2.1, and Wi-Fi 7. The laptop is set for release in Q1 2025, with pricing yet to be announced but expected in the premium range. With its cutting-edge specs and innovative design, the Razer Blade 16 targets gamers, content creators, and professionals seeking unmatched power and portability. Thanks for watching. If you're as impressed by the Razer Blade 16 as we are, please support me by liking, sharing, and dropping a comment below with your thoughts on this incredible gaming laptop. And of course, hit that subscribe button for more tech reviews and updates.